Hey there fam. Welcome to the Mining Cartel. Hope you all are doing fine. This is our first video on our channel. On this channel, we will be bringing to you some special mining related content. In this video we will be building a 9/1660 super crypto mining rig. This rig build is for our client in Goa. Stay tuned for his review video in the end of the video. Before we start the build, go on and hit the subscribe button and turn the bell icon on, and stay up to date with all our content. So without wasting more time, let's start with the unboxing. For the power supply units, we are using two 750 watt power supplies which costed us 5,400 rupees each. For the motherboard we are using a 12PC slot motherboard which costed us 19,491 rupees. And the processor for the motherboard costed us 5,720 rupees. The RAM costed us 1,567 rupees and the SSD costed us 1,610 rupees. We used the Pi Plus version 11 Pro risers which costed us 593 rupees. The motherboard switch costed us 97 rupees, LAN cable costed us 127 rupees and HDMI cable costed us 211 rupees. The HDMI monitor costed us 3,389 rupees. The total cost for hardware came up to 3,26,737 rupees plus GST. Let's begin the build. We apologize for the time lapse, but that was our only option to cover the entire build in this video. Cryptocurrency is subjected to market fluctuations. Do your own research before getting into crypto. At the Mining Cartel we ensure quality in our work. Another major aspect we focus on is sourcing parts at amazing prices. Now let's begin with the motherboard. Make sure to handle all the hardware carefully. Start off by installing the CPU and RAM. Pre-install the software onto your SSD and connect it to your motherboard. Make sure to use a good thermal paste on your processor. Connect all the power supply unit cables and double check them if they are inserted correctly. Make sure that the right cables have been inserted in the right connectors. This will help you to avoid any fire hazards. A cryptocurrency mining rig is a setup of multiple hardware elements. These can either be CPUs, GPUs, ASIC or FPGA that are arranged and configured to mine cryptocurrency. There are multiple components used in a mining rig setup. These can vary in price, size and also availability in the market. A mining rig assembly isn't all that easy though, as a lot of hurdles are faced in the process. A lot of mining rig accessories are also very hard to find and sometimes can be very highly priced in the consumer market. Now we have a small B-roll for you all followed by the customer's review. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, stay safe and keep mining.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
Hi, so this is my first mining rig. So as you can see, I had no idea how to build this. So on Instagram I came across the mining Cartel and they helped me to set this up. So I did not have any headache as of. Just I had called, I spoke to their team and they just helped me and it was a smooth journey. Just had to buy some stuff here and there and as you see, the rig is ready here.
Got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll